Hello, my name is Bill Balzano, and I will be teaching Psychology 451, Theories of Counseling. It's great to have you in class, and I look forward to you studying this very worthwhile subject of counseling, and specifically learning the basic theories that underline the various models in counseling. Later on, you'll be able to take methods of counseling which provides you an array of techniques to use with each theory of counseling. This is a wonderful course for anyone preparing to be a helper, particularly for those who are interested in becoming a licensed professional counselor, a licensed psychologist, a pastoral counselor, and of course for all of those working within the ministry, whether it's in Christian education, the pastoral ministry, or evangelism. This course will offer you a view of not only the leading historic theories, but modern theories that have developed from the historic theories. With this information, you'll have a better grasp of all of the work that goes into preparing to be a professional helper within the helping professions. I also recommend that you look at this from the standpoint of a tool that will help you to develop personally, will help you to understand perhaps some of the interactions you have with family, friends, and with students in your classes that you may be preparing to teach. This course will demand reading, study, of course, and following a timeline that keeps you on track to complete the material successfully. So I look forward to having you in this class, and I will be praying for you on a daily basis. God bless you, and thank you so much for being a part of this class.